of our passage leaving Tunisia, and first one didn't go so well, so we ended up on the island of Sardinia, and we fell in love with the little town we just happened to land on, and now we're regretting leaving because it was just so awesome. We were like, we could just stay here forever. It was really that cute. So we're gonna see where the wind takes us and make our way towards Gibraltar. Maybe we'll stop at the Balearics. Maybe we'll just keep on cruising if the weather is perfect. So let's see what this new day brings.
Hello.
So what's the plan, Skipper?
Plan is to go out past this island, turn west,
Okay.
head down to get into the wind because the wind's going to be down here, and we're going to head over here, and we will decide once we get there in 2 days of whether to head up to the Balearics. And it'll depend on what the wind's doing.
Okay.
But it's going to be a nice downwind spinnaker run for the next foreseeable future.
Awesome. My favorite. Look at our little visitor who landed on our boat and decided to come sit with us a spell. He found a cave garden. He or she. Are you looking for some food or water, little guy? That's my camera. How cute are you way out here in the middle of the ocean? Don't go in the cabin. That would be bad. Oh dear. Oh dear. We caught us a fish! Finally! Oh, I see the flash of green. Definitely a mahi. Boy, has it been a long time since we've caught a mahi. And it even looks like a really good size. Not too big, not too small. They do still make mahi-mahi. I thought they didn't make them anymore, Dan.
Well, they usually export them.
It's getting bluer as he gets closer. He started out looking really green. Oh, there's one following him. That's so sad. Oh, we gotta let him go. His friend is gonna miss him.
Thank you.
Oh, you lost him! Oh, son of a... He took our lure! Oh, crap. That was an expensive lure. Damn. Bye.